Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 3 more days of sales on Poshmark that I want to share with you guys just so you see what I sold. All right, so I'm going to give you the next 3 days of sales. I'm going to show you each individual item. I'll show you the screenshot of the photo that I took. And then I've got my notebook here that I'm going to write down exactly what the number was that I told you my profit was. So I'm going to show you the fees from Poshmark, and then I will tell you how much I paid for the item, deduct that, and then we'll give you a total profit number at the very end of this video. So let's go. All right, so here is my first order item that I sold. It's a new without tags Ava and Viv shirt. As you can see, I made $1.25 on it. This actually came out of a Target liquidation box for around that had 500 items in it, so I paid about $1 an item. So really I only made 25 cents on this one, but it'd been on my store for quite some time, and so I just wanted to show you that I did sell it and got a pretty decent price for it. And so here is a pair of women's Chelsea rain boots. These are the last few boots I had. I think I'm all sold out of these. So I made $10.20. I did pay up a little bit for these boots, paid $7 for them. And so I'm actually at $3.20 of profit on these women's Chelsea rain boots, size 7. The next item that I sold, this actually sold from my housewares section. I made $1.05, as you can see from that, but it's a wall decal, and I actually paid $1 for it. So I only made 5 cents on it, but it was my kind of first introduction to something from the housewares section, and so it didn't sell as well as I thought. So I think I'm just gonna stick to actual clothing on Poshmark because it seems to do the best for me. Then I earned, as you can see, $12.80 here. Hold on, my picture is a little bit large here, so I'm going to downsize so you can see the fee structure there. So how's that? Is that a little better? There we go. So as you can see, I sold it for $16. Poshmark fees were $3.20, $12.80, and so I actually paid about $4 for this particular pair of shoes. So the $12.80 minus the $4 is $8.80 is what I earned on these really cute women's Zillion micro suede slip-on sneakers. Then I have right here, this was an awesome sale, a Billabong wrap dress, and so that name brand seems to sell really well. So $24 is what I made after all my fee structure. I actually paid about $3 for it, so I actually made a total of $21 on this one dress. But as you can see, definitely put it on a mannequin. It was a bit wrinkled, and some people ask, do I steam clean my clothes? Less is more when it comes to taking time for some of these items. I could have steamed it and maybe got a little bit more money out of it, but it's also going to get wrinkled in shipping. And so I didn't really worry about it. I just made sure that I showed all the details in the photos so that I could sell the item well. And so $21 of profit after my cost of fees. And then I have a really cute hat. $8.05, as you can see, is what I made in my earnings after all of my fees. So $8.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid from a liquidation, and so $6.05 is where my profits are. And here is an up close picture of this really cute hat with a huge blue pom-pom. And so I actually used my backdrop there. I don't have a brick wall. I have actually just a backdrop from my photo wall. And then, of course, I've been selling a bunch of these now that it's winter time. I spent $7 on these Merona over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boots. $12 is what I earned after fees, as you can see there. So $5 of profit is what I made on these boots, and here is an up-close picture of those. So I've been selling a ton of these right now, and so I had to kind of hang on to them because I bought them at the beginning of the summer, and so that was a little bit frustrating for me, but I'm definitely making my money back, and now I'm well in to the profit margin on these boots. I just knew it had to be cold before I was going to start selling them. So just keep that take that into consideration. So I sold 4 separate items in this bundle. I made $46.20. This women's chenille pullover sweater I spent $2 on. The fleece pajama top, also $2. This Kobe size extra large button-up sweater was $3, so I'm at 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, and then these jeans was another $2, so that makes $9. As you can see, I earned $46.20 here. $46.20 minus the $9 will put me at $37.20 for this whole bundle. And if you want to see all of the items up close, I'll go ahead and click on them for you. So here's the picture of the chenille pullover sweater. Then I've got my Disney fleece pajama top, slay all day. And then I've got my like new crystal Kobe size extra large button-up sweater, and my dark blue mid-rise boyfriend jeans. So that was a really, really good bundle. I love bundles. All right, then I've got this for $12.60 of earnings minus my $4 that I paid for it. So I'm at $8.60 there for this women's Norma cylinder heeled booty. And I love this cylinder heel. It's really cute. And so I found a stock photo, which is awesome for the front photo, but then I also took my own photos, which made the color come out a little bit darker. So I'm glad I actually took this color because the stock photo is a little bit brighter, maybe just because of the lighting of the original stock photo. So then I've got another one of these Marona over the knee suede cognac Terran boot, $9.05. Remember, I paid $7 for them, so $2.05 of profit on that. And remember, this is 3 days of sales on Posh. We'll add everything up at the end. And then I've got these women's scrunch ballet flat shoes. I've actually got some more of these in size 8.5. $7.25 is what I earned. I paid $4 for them, so $3.25 is where my profit margin is on these really cute scrunch ballet flats. And believe it or not, this is a tablecloth that I had at my house, and so I thought it was a fun background to take pictures for this particular shoe. And so then I sold a women's Megan micro suede quarter strap heeled pump size 10. Large sizes sell really well. $4 is what I paid for these. $11 is my earnings after all my fees. If you look, there's 2 separate fees. Let me explain that in just a second. And so $11 minus the 4, I'm at $7 of profit. Now, why are there 2 separate fees when normally there's just one Poshmark fee? This is because I offered them a deal. So someone came through and they hearted this particular item. And so I'll give you an up close picture of it. That's exactly what it looks like. So they hearted the item, and when they hearted it or liked the item, I went through and offered them a Poshmark deal. And you're allowed to actually offer a shipping discount. It can be a full shipping discount or a partial shipping discount. I usually only offer the partial shipping discount of $1.80 because they do still take your fees off of that. So the $1.80 discount off of the regular Poshmark shipping fee, and then the regular fee. And so really my actual fees were $5 total off of this because I offered the shipping discount. But that sometimes will help you make the sale because it makes it a little bit more enticing for the person knowing that they're going to get a shipping discount. So you can offer those things to anybody who likes or hearts an item, and sometimes you'll make sales. So watch your news feed anytime you get one of those hearts. Offer them a deal and you'll make a sale a little bit faster. So that you can do that on top of all of your sharing that you do, and that usually will help you make sales faster. All right, our next item we have is a faux crocodile skin slip-on pair of shoes, $5.05 as my earnings. $4 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05 for my profits there. And if you want to see these up close so that they actually do look like crocodiles, I love this front end on these shoes. They're awesome. All right, and then I have a chunky cable knit wrap cardigan, $17.40. I spent $3 on it, so I'm at $14.40 of profit, and I used the stock photo, which really helps on the front picture, and then I took my own photos as well so that people can see the condition. But the stock photo really does help when it comes to trying to sell your item because it shows what it looks like on a person on the right size. All right, then I have a Gilligan and O'Malley thermal pajama set. $7.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid because it came out of one of my Target liquidation pallets. And so I'm at $5.05 on this Gilligan and O'Malley thermal pajama set. And so here's what it looks like up close, and so you can see all the details on it. Cute stars on it. Then I have a new Tags XXL Neat Netflix Stranger Things shirt. $2.05 is what I earned. This one was one of my low dollar items that I sold. $1 is all I paid, so I'm at $1.05 for my earnings. And this was the last item that I sold these last 3 days. And so over the weekend, I usually sell a lot of items, and maybe on Monday and Tuesday, I sell a lot of items because I do a lot of discounting in my store, but this is in the middle of the week. So this is a typical 3-day sale for the middle of the week for me. And so we're going to go ahead and add everything up. I'll let you know exactly how much I made and how many orders it came to for all my sales on Poshmark. All right, so I've got everything added up. It came to 16 separate orders that I had to ship individually, and it came to $124 even. Which is a surprising number, but $124 in 3 days of sales on Poshmark, and that is taking off all of my fees, all of my discounts that I offered, and all of my cost of purchase. So it's $124 of positive, profitable money. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold these last 3 days in October on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.